Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Nothing Phone 1 and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. To see that, open Settings application and then scroll down and choose About Phone selection and tap on Nothing Phone. There we have build number. Now we must tap sometimes to activate our develop mode because we need it to see our available random access memory. And to confirm, enter your lock screen and now we are developer. We can go back and choose system option where we have new selection developer option. We tap on it and there memory. Now we have information about our available random access memory that now free we have 4.5 gigabytes. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.